Guys, good evening guys. Friday guys, night shift. Monitoring guys sa mga kagamitan ng government guys. Ano ganyan yun. Saka yung sa kabila guys, may old BFP. Iikutan natin yan guys mamaya. Guys, mamaya naman guys, bye bye. Guys, ikot tayo guys, ikot. Punta natin yung kabila guys. Guys, oh. Dalawang sasakyan nakaparada rito guys. Ito guys, tsaka ito guys. Yan. Ito tayo sa kabilang one guys. Kabilang area naman. Punta natin guys. So guys, madilim dito guys. Ito yung back to back namin guys, no? Yan ang dating BFP guys. Yan. Fire truck. Madilim guys. Ito yung isang back to back namin guys, no? Madilim guys, no? Hindi mabuksan yung one guys, flashlight. Guys. Yan. So nakaparada yung mga motor namin guys. Guys. Yan. Truck namin guys. Yan. Mga motor namin guys. Yung mga bago namin kwan guys. Vehicle. Yan. Yan guys. Yan guys ha. Guys, mamaya naman guys.